So guys, in this video I am gonna tell you how you can calculate your grades and percentage on the Excel. So let's get started. First of all, here you can see that I have the student name, marks obtained and the total marks out of it. For the percentage calculation, you know that we have the obtained marks on the numerator and total marks on the denominator and multiplying it with 100. Now press equal. On the numerator, select obtained marks divided by the total marks, closing bracket and multiplying it with the 100. Here you can see that I have obtained the percentage. Now dragging it up to the down for the overall percentage calculation. Now for the grade calculation, I have to see that what is my grading criteria. You can set your grading criteria according to your need. Here I have already set it the grading criteria, so I will just write the format of it. For writing the format, you have to see that you will remain careful as we go from top to the end. Now starting from equal and then write if and then small bracket. Now if this percentage is greater than or equal to 90, then comma, then double comma, then if this percentage is greater than or equal to 90, then I will give a plus to the student, then closing the command and then comma. Now giving the space and writing if and bracket, this percentage is greater than or equal to 80, then comma, then giving the command a to this grade or percentage and then comma and giving the space, then again if bracket and this percentage greater than or equal to 70, comma and then command, giving the grade b and then closing it, then again comma and space. And now if you see the most important thing, that for the fail subject I have to set if this percentage is less than 33%, then I will assign the f value. I will not use the greater, rather I will use the less than or equal to. As you can see, again if and then bracket, this this percentage value is less than or equal to 33, comma, assigning it f and then again comma. Now the first bracket color is black, so here we have obtained on the right side is the last bracket color, that is also black. Now clicking enter, here you can see that I have got the a result. Now clicking over here and dragging it down to the bottom, here you can see that I have obtained all the result. So let's just say if I change this value to 350, then what will be the percentage and the grade. Here you can see my percentage has changed and my grade has changed. This command helped me in calculating the values, percentages and grading in the very easy and reasonable way. Like here I give 1050 number and clicking enter, here you can see that my percentage has changed and the grade goes up to the a plus. So this is all from my side. You can ask me about further in the comments.